My son?
Forgive me, Father, for I've sinned. It's been about a year since my last confession.
Why so long, my son?
I've been busy.
Busy with what?
Hunter is dead. We got to get out of here. He's coming for us.
We need a child.
Dude, he's dead. We have to leave.
You need to calm down.
Dude, he's going to kill us. Hunter is dead.
Death is a heavy burden to bear, my child. It isn't good to hold on to your wrongdoings for so long.
Well, I didn't want to come back until it was almost over.
Child, all this bloodshed, what is it for? What compels you to commit these crimes?
They took my life. They have a debt that needs collected, and I expect to be paid in full.
You still live and breathe on this earth. No one has taken your life yet.
I walk, but I don't live and breathe. This is a husk.
Revenge is a dark demon to get into bed with. It can be a long, endless road. Not many find their way off of it once they've started. There's always a way to seek justice peacefully.
Revenge isn't the first bed you climb into. The endless road, that's despair, and revenge, that's just where you end up when you can't walk anymore.
Sometimes, despair is a test from God.
It's a sick joke.
Not a joke. A lesson. It's not for us to interpret the plan.
Plan. Do you see any plan around here? All the horrible things you see on the news every day. Fires at random, massacres on city corners, even what happens right here in your own house. Do I have to go there?
No, you don't. I understand. I understand the cheap shot of a hurt man. We've been talking this whole time and you haven't even said who wronged you. Have you forgotten?
I could never forget.
Your focus is elsewhere now. You just want to put blood in the streets.
It's a drop in the bucket compared to the flood outside.
You're diverting again.
They took her, okay? I've looked for answers everywhere. I can't find any. Altruistic heroes, they don't exist. There's evil, and then there's us. And we're just somewhere in the middle.
None of this will bring her back.
I didn't dupe myself into thinking this would bring her back. This doesn't do anything for anybody but me.
And what does it do for you? Do you feel satisfied bringing wrath to the people that hurt you?
Not until it's over. And even then, probably not, but this is beyond that. It's not about how I feel.
Then what is this about, my son?
It's about making the streets clean.